I'm about to give myself another at-home microneedling treatment using the Dr. Pen BioPen Q2, and I thought I would jump on and share my microneedling journey so far and also share some tips I have learned along the way. Now, I want to thank you guys. You've been so kind and helpful in all the videos I've shared so far. You've given great advice, great tips, and it's just been really helpful for me to learn so I can provide myself with the most effective treatment. So I thought I'd share some of those things in this video today. I'll also link the original video in the description if anyone wants to check it out. Check out the comments. There were so many helpful tips left that may help you on your microneedling journey. So the first tip is how to select your needle cartridge size. And I'm pretty sure in my first video I used the wrong size, but someone came to my rescue in the comments and they left this analogy, and as soon as I read it, the penny dropped. It made so much sense, so I wanted to share it with you. When you're selecting your needle cartridge size, you can select 9, 14, or 25 needles. Think of it as walking on a bed of nails. The less amount of needles in the cartridge, the deeper the penetration, and maybe the more painful it's going to be. But if you have more needles, you're covering more surface area, so the penetration isn't going to be as deep, and therefore it probably won't be as painful as using less needles. Now, that was something I definitely got wrong when I first started my microneedling journey, and it has made a huge difference. So hopefully that helps you when selecting your needle cartridge size. My second tip is that you never want to microneedle on dry skin. This can really damage the skin, and by applying a hyaluronic acid before, during, and after the treatment, it's going to help accelerate your skin's natural healing, and it's also going to add a really beautiful boost of hydration that's going to help to create that glowing and radiant complexion and really plump, juicy skin. The other thing that I've learned is that you don't want to use the same needle depth across the whole face. So there are naturally areas of the face that are a little fleshier than others, like the cheeks, and they're the areas where you can afford to increase the needle depth and turn up the dial from anywhere from 0.5 to 1.5. But it's on the other areas of the face, like the forehead, anywhere around the nose or the eyes, where you're working closer to the bone. So you want to reduce the needle depth so it's not as intense. Post-care treatment is just as important as the microneedling treatment itself, and so Dr. Pen have collaborated with Peachaboo to release their HydraCalm Biocellulose facial masks. These masks are perfect for wearing after your microneedling treatment, and they're infused with active ingredients like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and chamomile, which are all really soothing and supportive ingredients. It's going to give your skin a really great boost of hydration, help to soothe any redness you might have experienced, and it's going to help to support your skin's natural recovery process. I hope these tips help you on your microneedling journey, and if you have any questions or any other tips, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'm also going to link the Dr. Pen BioPen Q2 in the description so you can check it out, but to be honest, just go to their website and look at all the different devices they have. The technology is just getting better and better, and so I'm sure you'll find a device to suit your skincare needs.